Hi, today we are going to learning about basic functions of the operating system. There are 5 keys. Interface between the user and the hardware. The user interface is the interaction between the user and the machine, letting the user send commands with the expected results to form of the interface user and the command line interface and the graphical user interface. This is how command line interface looks like. The more primitive user interface, the user would type in a line of command or a single word followed by pressing the return key. The computer then willingly follows that exact command, informing the user of its progress. For example, the user may want to type in a command to print a document. The user will type the state print, then the name of the printer, and finally the name of the file to be printed. This is how a print command looks. Pros means advantages. Command line interfaces can run on simple hardware with limited resources. Some commands may be simpler to perform in a command line interface than in a graphical user interface. Cons means disadvantages. Learning the command may it not suitable for a new user. Some commands may be hard to perform in a command line user than in a graphical user interface. Graphical user interface. The graphical user interface is made up of box or windows which is displayed as an array or usually colorful tiny blocks called pixels, and a group of pixels is called an image. The maximum number of colors that can be used are called the graphics. The user interface will display a main window, also known as the desktop, which then can be accompanied by more windows. GUI is the most common of the user interface and the most user-friendly makeup of event-driven software. The type of UI This type of UI is the best for users lacking in computer coding skills, since GUI only needs you to make use of the mouse events. There are still some people who prefer the use of a command line interface to a graphical user interface. Advantages of GUI are simple and intuitive for new users. Some commands may be simpler to perform in a GUI than a CLI. The disadvantages of GUI are GUIs require system resource and more complex hardware than CLIs. Some commands may be harder to perform in a GUI than in a CLI. Coordinative hardware components. An OS enables coordination of hardware components. Each hardware device speaks a different language, but the operating system can talk to them through the specific translation softwares called device drives. Every hardware component has different drives for operating systems. These drives make the communication successful between the other software and the hardware. Hardware components. Central Processing Unit CPU, Arithmetical or Logic Unit ALU performs calculations and makes logical comparison. Control Unit access, decodes and coordinates data in CPU and other devices. Primary memory holds program instructions and data for processing. Secondary storage, more permanent storage, input and output devices, communications devices.